Hi, my name is Veronica Nyhan and I'm the soil specialist here in Teagasc Oak Park. And I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about how to conduct an assessment of your soil structure on a tillage system using the Double Spade Method. So the post-harvest period before we start tillage operations for the year ahead is a great time to look at your soil structure, generally because the soil is often quite moist and also we have good root development from the previous crop. We examine soil structure in tillage systems by using a modification of the VESS and the sub-VESS called the Double Spade Method. It goes to about 40 centimetres in depth and generally takes about 20 minutes to conduct. So if it's a case of you just want to get a general idea of the soil structural quality in the field, you should conduct at least 5 assessments at different points around the field. However, after the year gone by, you may want to target areas where you can see obvious weaknesses, such as poor yields, or there was yellowing of the crops, or maybe poor water infiltration and ponding on the soil surface. So to conduct the Double Spade method of assessment, you're going to need the following tools: a spade, you're going to need a trowel, and some way of separating out your layers. You'll also need a measuring tape, and finally the Double Spade Method assessment form, and you can download this off the Teagasc website. So carefully dig a soil pit approximately 45 centimetres deep, about half a metre long and 30 centimetres wide. So while digging, the most important thing is to get your dimensions right, but also not to touch the spade or to stand on the side of the pit where you're planning on doing your assessment. So using your knife or trowel, start to prod the soil to differentiate between the different soil layers based on the level of resistance, and then record the depth of each layer on the score sheet. Now, working on each individual layer, fill out the score sheet looking at the individual properties such as aggregate size, aggregate shape, aggregate strength or rupture resistance, aggregate porosity, rooting, soil smell and colour. Within each layer, add the score for the 7 parameters and average the result to get the mean layer score, and multiply this number by the layer depth. Add the resulting score for each individual layer to get an overall score of the profile by dividing by the total profile depth. Scores between 1 and 2 indicate good soil structure. A score of 3 is moderate, while 4 or 5 suggest the soil is compacted. So if you'd like to find out more information about the Double Spade Method, or even the grass VESS, an alternative version for a grass-based system, please consult the Teagasc website.